Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are passionate about helping people with business and accounting. In today's video, we're going to talk about credit cards, specifically when you use EIDL funds to pay for your credit card. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So this video was actually requested by Lisa L. She says, how do I record a transaction when the credit card is used to pay for the expense? That is a great question, and it's the reason why I decided to do this video. So thank you, Lisa, for your question. And guys, make sure to leave a comment down below if there's something that you want to know more about. Leave it down below, and that might just be my next video. Now, if you haven't caught episode 26, EIDL bookkeeping, I highly recommend that you watch that video first. I'm going to link it up above and then come back to this video. All of this will make much more sense, and I won't be covering how to set up the EIDL register in this video. So make sure to check out that video if you want to get caught up on how to properly record your EIDL loan and record EIDL expenses. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is to add a credit card into QuickBooks Online. So check this out. If you already have your credit card set up, just take a look at this and make sure that your credit card was properly set up. All right, so we are in our QuickBooks dashboard. Let's head over to our chart of accounts. So we're gonna go to new. New account type is gonna be credit card. The detail type is gonna be credit card. And the name is gonna be American Express. And I'm gonna just keep credit card on there. And then save and close. So now if I filter by my American Express and I look at this register, there is currently nothing on there because we just created it. So now what I want to do is add the expense to the credit card ledger. So we're going to go to New, Expense. In the payee, we're going to type in, let's use our lumber and building material supplier. And under payment account, I'm going to select the American Express credit card. Payment date will be July 30th. And my method is going to be American Express. Under category, I'm going to select job materials. And then I'm just going to put in a quick description, lumber. And the amount is going to be $1,500. Save and close. All right, so that's one expense. Let's go ahead and add another one. So new expense. Let's go ahead and select a vendor. Let's see. Hicks Hardware. Let's go ahead and select Hicks Hardware. And we're going to change the payment account to American Express. As you can see, it pre-filled some of my category and my amount. I'm going to leave the category and I'm just going to change the amount to 800 and then change my date to July 31st. Save and close. And now let's go ahead and let's take a look at this register. So if you filter by the name of your credit card, select view, we can see we have two transactions on this credit card ledger. Now this ledger, the credit card ledger should match your bank statements. So whatever's on your bank statement should be on your credit card ledger. So now we're gonna go ahead and send American Express a payment for our credit card statement. So to do that, we're gonna create a new expense and it's gonna come out of our checking account. But because all of the transactions on this specific credit card were EIDL related, I am going to go ahead and select my checking account, but the sub-account EIDL. The payment date is going to be August 1st. And the category is going to be our credit card, because I want to reduce that balance. Description is going to be EIDL expense for our statement ending Let's give it a date, August 3rd, 2020. And then the amount is going to be the balance on the statement, which is $2,300. Save and close. And now you can see our two transactions are recorded, and our payment to American Express is recorded, which will leave our balance at 0. So we have paid in full our credit card. So now let's go to our chart of accounts and let's take a look at our EIDL bank register. So you can see we have our initial deposit of $65,000 and we have our first credit card payment of $2,300, which reduced our EIDL balance to $62,700. And I'm just gonna write in the memo, EIDL expense for statement ending 8/3/2020, and then just save that. Now guys, I wanna make one thing clear. All of the expenses on this credit card were eligible uses of the funds. If you have ineligible uses of the funds, you need to deduct that amount from your credit card. And also realize that if you're using your credit card for EIDL expenses, your credit card statements would need to be surrendered in case of an audit. You wanna make sure you have all of your receipts for any transaction that you're gonna be using for EIDL funds, and also making sure that you keep your credit card statements. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, share it with a friend, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.